my car's pulling to the left a little bit, which means I gotta pull to the right a little bit. Problem solved. Boom! Now YouTube says, I've watched some videos on YouTube about how to make a successful YouTube channel, and they say you're supposed to edit out all the lulls, which obviously I don't, but I'm from the 90's, man. So in the 90's, you'd go to see a motion picture, you'd buy your popcorn, you'd wait for Tarantino to finish that dialogue sequence. The two hitmen walk to the end of the hallway, and you're standing there in front of the door waiting, and they're talking about what a real foot massage is all about. And then they finally come back to you, and you know what you're doing, you're waiting, you're listening, and that's okay. And then they come in, kick the door in, and share scripture and talk about favorite hamburger stores. That's where I come from, man.